Okay, today we will be replacing a control board on a Rheem RTU. So the model we're working on today is an RKKA-A060DL13E, and it runs on natural gas. Safety first, be sure the power and gas is turned off to the unit. I'm going to go ahead and remove this side cover panel. There's our burner, draft inducer fan. We were getting an error code 3 flashing on the old board, which says a high limit switch is open, but the high limit switches were not open. Here's a new board and the part number. So there's a new board. And the best way I've found to replace a board is set it side by side the best you can next to the old board and take one wire off at a time from the old board and put it onto the new board. And there's just a few screws that hold the board in place. Be careful while you do this. There's some very delicate electrical components on that control board. You don't want to accidentally break one of them off or bend them off and break them. Just be careful or mindful of that. And just FYI, I did bypass the high limit switches. I checked the flame rollout switches. So I checked the entire safety circuit and, systematically bypassed each thing one at a time. And the burner still did not come on. I was still getting that error code 3 on the board. So that's what led me to determine that board was bad. Our wires are all connected. There's the old board. I'll go ahead and resecure the new board carefully to the enclosure. And then we can turn the gas and the power back on to this RTU and test the unit for proper operation. Everything looks good, functioning normal. It's a close-up view of the new board installed. And here is the wiring diagram for this RTU. Highlighted in red is the error codes. Depending on the number of flashes you get, will tell you might be what's wrong with the RTU. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.